All of you read this fifth question. Kevin, read the fifth question.
This is related to case study question. Case study.
Case study, under case study, it may be asked, having a chances. No case study is there, correct? So read the fifth question. You can see in a classroom, four friends are
seated at the points A, B, C, and D.
in the picture. Here, one is in point A, one is in point B, one is in point C, another one is in point D. So that is what. So now, Champa and Chemeli walk into the class, and after observing for a few minutes, Champa asked Chemeli, means like two friends, they came into the class and they have observed these four fellows, and she asked, one fellow asked another friend, don't you think ABCD is a square? Do you understand? So she asked that. Champa asked Chameli that, do you don't think so that it is this ABCD position is a square? Then Chameli disagrees. So using distance formula, find which of them is correct, either Champa or Chameli. So what is the here means? So four friends are sitting in a B, C, D direction, means A, B, C, D point. So another two more friends came. One is Champa, another one is Chameli. So Champa observed for a few minutes and said that this A, B, C, D is sitting like a square position. So do you think that is it correct or not? She asked to Chameli. So Chameli said that immediately, this is not correct. They are not sitting in a square position. So we have to prove that who is correct. Champa is correct or Chameli is correct by using a distance formula. So now here four fellows are sitting. So can you identify the points here? Point A, what is that, Karthikeyan? Arvind?
Suppose case study based question.
Yeah,
Point A, 4, sir.
They will ask you what is the point of A, what is the point of B, what is the point of C, what is the point of D. Can you able to find what is the point of A? This is the number of rows and number of columns. What is the point of A? Can you able to say? Point of A.
Ma'am, 4 and 3.
Hey, first x-axis you should say always. Understand? X-axis.
3 and 4, sir. 3 and 4.
3 and 4. Everybody? B.
Sir, B is 6, 7.
7, sir.
Next, C. 9, 4.
4.
Next, last D.
Sir, D is 6, 1.
1.
Now, by using distance formula, you have to prove that either they are sitting in the square or not. So square means what is the property of square? Anybody? What is the property of square? Nitinath, Padmavarshini, Prahasini. What is the property of square? Dilipan, Yali, can you say what is the property of square? All sides are
equal and diagonals equal.
Diagonals also equal and all sides are equal. So you can prove that if all the sides are coming same, means one is correct, another one is wrong. So you can prove that. That's all. So fifth question. Do it fast. By using distance formula, calculate all the sides.
First, what is point A? A point 3, 4. B. 6, 7. What is point C?
9, 4.
9, 4. D.
6,
6, 1. Okay. A, B, C, D. What are the properties of square? Properties of square.
All sides are equal.
All sides are equal. Means two possibilities are there. Either rhombus and square. What is the difference between rhombus and square? Rhombus and square. Difference. In rhombus, diagonals are not equal. In square, diagonals also equal. Diagonals means A to C and B to D. Diagonals also equal in square. Diagonals also equal. First to find A to B distance. All of you solve A to B distance. What is A to B distance? Solve everyone. What is A to B distance? We know A point and B point. Find the distance between A and B.
18, ma'am.
Root 18, very good. Any other answers?
Ma'am, root 18 only, ma'am.
Root, how much, Ra?
18. 18.
Hey, root 18, very good. All of you got same answer? See, AB means x2 minus x1. x2 is 6. 6 minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 4 whole square. 7 minus 4 whole square. It is 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3, 3 square. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 4, 3 square. 3 square is 9. 3 square is 9. Root over 9 plus 9, 18. 18 is the correct answer. Next, distance between BC. Distance between BC. How much?
Ma'am, root 18, ma'am. Root 18.
Root
Root
18.
18.
Okay,
Root 18,
BC,
ma'am.
BC also root 18. Very good. BC equal to root 18. 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 whole square. 7 minus 4 whole square. 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 means 3 square. 7 minus 4 means 3 square. It is 3 square plus 3 square. That is also 9 plus 9. It is root 18. Next, CD. CD how much?
comma D also 18, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, root
CD
18, ma'am, root
also 18.
Root 18, ma'am.
CD how much? CD.
18, ma'am. Root 18.
CD also root 18. CD, it means 9 minus 6 minus 9 whole square. It is minus 3 whole square. Here, this one is 1. 1 minus 4 whole square. 1 minus 4 whole square means minus 3 whole square. So it is 3 square is 9.
Ma'am, all sides are root 18,
9.
ma'am.
It is root 18. Very good. Next, DA how much, Ra? DA how much?
Ma'am, root 18, ma'am. A and B is root 18, ma'am.
DA also root 18. All of you solving? DA how much? Any other
Root
answers?
18, ma'am.
Root 18.
Root 18.
Ma'am,
How
root
much
18
will
only.
you
Root 18.
Arvind, what is answer
Root
DA?
18.
Very good. Next, means all sides are equal. All sides are equal. And diagonals, check diagonals. What is AC? Distance between A and C. Distance between A and C. Distance between A and C. A is 3, 4 and C is 9, 4. Distance between A and C, root over 9 minus 3 whole square. 9 minus 3 means 6 square. Next, 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4,
Root 30, root 37.
root 37. Root 37 wrong. See, 9 minus 3, how much? 9 minus 3, 6 square. 4 minus 4, 0 square. Correct? 6 square means 36. Root 36 value is 6 only.
Ma'am, root 36. 6, ma'am.
Yes, root 36 value 6. Next.
Root 36. 6.
Yes, next BD. BD. BD, distance between BD. What is B point? B is 6, 7 and D is 6, 1. What is BD distance? Root over 6
Root over 47.
6 minus 6 whole square. 7 minus 1 whole square, correct? 7 minus 1
Only, ma'am.
whole
Ma'am,
square.
6 only.
Ma'am, 7, ma'am.
6
7,
only.
ma'am.
Ma'am, 6 only, ma'am. 6.
Yes, 6 only. 6 minus 6, 0. 7 minus 1, 6 square. It is 36. Root over 36. This value is 6 only. So diagonals also equal, correct? Diagonals also equal. Diagonals
All
are
the sides are equal and diagonals are equal.
diagonals also
All the sides
equal.
are
So
and
it is
diagonals
a square or rhombus?
square.
Square. Who is correct? Who is correct? Champa and Chameli. Here,
Champa, ma'am.
yes,
Champa.
ABCD is a square. So, Champa is correct. You understand this one? Any doubt this question? Any doubt? Shall I go to next sum? Next question. Sixth question. Sixth question. Read sixth question. Read anyone? Sixth question.
Name the type of quadrilateral formed if any by the following points and give reason for your answer.
Answer. Okay. Here given 4 points. 3 subdivisions. Each subdivision has 4 points.
4 points.
Here we have to say the name of the quadrilateral. Name of the quadrilateral. Suppose here given points. This is A, B, C, D. All sides are equal. All sides are equal. Suppose A to B, distance between AB, distance between BC, distance between CD, and distance between AD. All sides are equal. Then it is A. Name of the quadrilateral. What is the name? All sides are equal means
Square.
square and rhombus also, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
See, all sides are equal. What are the properties of square?
All sides are equal and all diagonals are equal.
Yes, diagonals are equal, sides are equal. Sides are equal and diagonals also equal. Equal. Next, rhombus. What are the properties of rhombus? What are the properties of rhombus? All sides are equal. All sides are equal and diagonals are unequal. Diagonals are not equal. Next, what are the properties for parallelogram? Parallelogram. First, rectangle. Rectangle. What are the properties of rectangle? What are the properties of rectangle? Say anyone. Properties of rectangle. What are the properties of parallelogram? What are the properties of parallelogram? Rectangle. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal and diagonals also equal. Opposite sides are equal and diagonals also equal. Parallelogram. Parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. And diagonals are unequal. Not equal. Next, trapezium. What are the properties of trapezium? Trapezium. Trapezium. All sides are not equal and opposite sides also not equal. Only diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. First, what are the properties of square? All of you say. Say all of you. What are the properties properties of square? Please respond. What are the properties of square?
All sides are equal.
All sides are equal, ma'am.
Diagonals also equal. What are the properties of rhombus?
All sides are equal, but diagonals are not equal.
Diagonals are not equal.
Rectangle properties?
Opposite sides are equal.
Opposite sides are equal and diagonals? Diagonals also equal.
Equal.
Yes. Parallelogram properties?
Opposite sides are
Opposite sides are
equal.
equal, but
Diagonals are not equal.
Okay. Next, first question. Read first subdivision. Points. Say points. Minus 1 comma minus 2, 1 comma 0. Next point minus 1 comma 2, minus 3 comma 0. Let us assuming first point A, second point B, third point C, fourth point D. Okay. So first
First one
find
is square, ma'am. Square.
what? First one is square.
First one is square.
Very good. First find AB distance. All of you. What is AB distance?
Ma'am, 2, ma'am, 2.
2. 2 is wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
2 is wrong.
Root
Ma'am,
4.
root 8, ma'am. Root 8, ma'am.
Root 8
Ma'am,
is,
root 4, ma'am.
root 8 is correct. See, 1 minus minus
Root 8,
of
ma'am. Root 8.
yes, root 8. Very good. See, 1 minus minus of 1. Correct? It means 1 minus 1 plus 2. 2 square plus 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 means plus 2 whole square. 2 square plus 2 square is 8. Root over 8. Next, BC. How much BC? BC distance between BC.
Root 8.
Root 8, very good. Distance between B and C. It is
Root 8, ma'am.
yes, root over minus 1 whole square. Next 2 minus 0 whole square. It is minus 1. It is minus 2 whole square. 2 minus 0 means 2 square. Minus 2 whole square is 4. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Root 8, very good. Next, CD, how much? CD, ma'am. CD.
Root 8, ma'am. Root 8.
Root 8. I will check, wait. Minus 3 minus of minus 1 whole square. Next, 0 minus 2 whole square.
6, ma'am.
Which is equal to minus 3 minus into minus plus 1 whole square. 2 square is 4.
6, ma'am.
Not 6 ram. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2, correct? Minus 2 whole square plus 4. Minus 2 whole square is plus 4. 4 plus 4, which is equal to root 8.
Root 8.
Yes, root 8. Check your answer, Karthikeyan once.
Ma'am, diagonals are 16, ma'am.
Diagonals also equal. So they will be a square, I think.
Ma'am, diagonals are 16, ma'am. 16.
Okay. Okay, DA. What about DA? DA. D is minus 3. Minus 3.
16, ma'am. 16.
Yes, minus 3. Root over minus 3 minus A value. X1. Minus 1 whole square. Plus 0 minus 2. 0 minus minus 2 whole square. Which is equal to root over minus 3 minus of minus 3 minus of minus 1 is plus 1 whole square. Minus into minus plus 2 whole square is 4. Minus 3 plus 1, it is 2. 2 square plus 4. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Root 8. Till here, any doubt? D also root 8. Arvind, do you understand? This one.
AC, ma'am.
Next, what about AC? AC. Diagonals, AC. What is AC? What is A point? A is minus 1
That
comma
also
minus 2. C is minus 1 comma 2. Correct? x1, y1, x2, y2. Root over x2 minus x1 whole square. Minus 1 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus y2 is 2. 2 minus minus 2 whole square, which is equal to minus 1 minus into minus plus 1 whole square. 2 minus into minus plus 2 whole square. It is minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. It is 0. 2 plus 2, 4 square. 4 square value 16. Root 16 is 4. AC is 4. Kevin, check your answer. 15 not correct. 4 is the correct answer.
no root 16 I said, ma'am.
Okay. Next, BD. What about BD? BD Ra. What is B point?
Ma'am, that also root 16, ma'am.
Okay, 1 comma 0. Oh, root 16. Okay. Root 16 means 4. Very good. Next, D. D is
Ma'am,
0.
we want to check diagonals, no, ma'am.
Yes, AC and BD are the diagonals.
Diagonals is AC and
BD.
okay.
This is x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. x2 minus x1 whole square minus 3 minus 1 whole square. Next, 0 minus 0 whole square. It is minus 3 minus 1 whole square is minus 4 whole square. 0 minus 0 is 0 only. Minus 4 whole square is plus 16. Root 16 value 4. AC 4 and BC, BD also 4. It means diagonals also equal. All sides are equal. Then it is a square. Do you understand this question? And second and third subdivision is a homework. Homework, 2 questions. Second subdivision and third subdivision.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Ra.
Solve and send me.
Okay, this will stop. Thank you, all of you.